TOEIC Listening Practice. Listening Part 4. Set 36. Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following passage.
May I have your attention, please? This is an announcement for all passengers waiting for the 14:15 service to Manchester Piccadilly. We are currently experiencing a minor signalling issue near the station approach. Consequently, this train will now depart from Platform 4 instead of Platform 2. Please make your way safely to Platform 4 via the pedestrian bridge. We apologize for this late change and any inconvenience it may cause to your journey today.
Number 1. Where is this announcement likely taking place? Number 2. Look at the graphic. Which platform will the train to Manchester actually depart from? Number 3. What does the speaker ask listeners to do? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 1. The correct answer is A. Next, let's look at number 2. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 3. The correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following passage.
Good morning, everyone. Before we start the project updates, I need to address a change in our building security policy. Starting next Monday, the side entrance on 5th Street will be locked at 6 p.m. sharp instead of 8 p.m. This is to ensure better control over who enters the facility after hours. If you plan to work late, you'll need to use the main lobby doors, which are staffed by security 24/7. Please make sure you have your ID badges visible at all times. HR will be sending out an email with these details shortly.
Number 4. What is the main purpose of the announcement? Number 5. What will happen at 6 p.m. starting next Monday? Number 6. How will employees receive more information? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 4. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 5. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 6. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 7 through 9 refer to the following passage.
Welcome to the annual Tech Innovators Conference. We're thrilled to see such a great turnout here in Sydney. I have a quick update regarding this morning's schedule. Unfortunately, our keynote speaker, Dr. Aris Thorne, has been delayed due to a flight cancellation. As a result, we are swapping the first 2 sessions. The Future of AI panel will now take place at 9 o'clock, and Dr. Thorne's keynote address will move to the 10:30 slot. Thank you for your flexibility and enjoy the sessions.
Number 7. What is the main purpose of the announcement? Number 8. Look at the graphic. What will now happen at 9 o'clock? Number 9. Why is the change necessary? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 7. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 8. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 9. The correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 10 through 12 refer to the following passage.
Thank you for calling Streamline Internet Services. We are currently aware of a service interruption affecting customers in the downtown Vancouver area. This is due to emergency maintenance on our fiber optic lines. Our technicians are on site and expect to restore full service by 3 p.m. today. If you are calling for a different matter, please stay on the line to speak with a representative. To check for real-time updates, please visit our website at streamline.ca.
Number 10. What is the main problem being reported? Number 11. When is the issue expected to be resolved? Number 12. What should listeners do if they have other issues? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 10. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 11. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 12, the correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 13 through 15 refer to the following passage.
Good afternoon. Let's look at the current budget allocation for the Q3 expansion project. As you can see on the slide, we have allocated funds across 3 main departments. However, the Finance Committee has requested a 10% reduction in total spending. To achieve this, we need to adjust the marketing budget specifically. Although the chart shows $50,000, we are going to cut that amount by $5,000 effective immediately. The R&D and operations budgets will remain unchanged for now, as those resources are critical for the upcoming launch.
Number 13. What is the speaker mainly discussing? Number 14. Look at the graphic. What will be the new budget for marketing? Number 15. Why are the other departments' budgets remaining unchanged? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 13. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 14. The correct answer is A. Finally, for number 15, the correct answer is B. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 16 through 18 refer to the following passage.
Hello, this is a message for Mr. Sarahs regarding your order with Oakwood Furniture. We are calling to inform you of a delay with your delivery scheduled for this afternoon. Unfortunately, our delivery truck has experienced a mechanical breakdown on the M4 motorway. We have dispatched a replacement vehicle, but we will not be able to reach your address until tomorrow morning between 8 o'clock and 10 a.m. We apologize for this inconvenience. Please call us back if this new time is unsuitable.
Number 16. What is the purpose of the call? Number 17. What caused the problem? Number 18. When is the new delivery time? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 16. The correct answer is C. Next, let's look at number 17. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 18, the correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 19 through 21 refer to the following passage.
Thank you for joining us for this special unveiling. Today, we are proud to introduce CloudSync 5.0, the latest version of our file management software. We listen to your feedback, and the biggest change is speed. CloudSync 5.0 uploads data 3 times faster than the previous version, making collaboration seamless. We've also redesigned the user interface to be more intuitive. I invite everyone to visit the demo booths at the back of the room to try it out yourself. Our engineers are there to answer any questions you might have.
Number 19. What is being introduced? Number 20. What is mentioned as a major improvement? Number 21. What are listeners invited to do? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 19. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 20. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 21. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 22 through 24 refer to the following passage.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this mandatory webinar on workplace safety compliance. Over the next hour, we will review the updated regulations regarding hazardous material handling. It is crucial that you pay close attention as these protocols are legally required for our site operations. At the end of the session, there will be a short assessment. You must achieve a score of at least 85% to be certified. Anyone who does not pass will be required to retake the full training course next week before they are permitted to enter the manufacturing zone.
Number 22. What is the topic of the webinar? Number 23. What is required to become certified? Number 24. What implies that this training is strict? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 22. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 23. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 24, the correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 25 through 27 refer to the following passage.
Attention staff and visitors, please be advised that the passenger elevators in the North Wing are currently out of service for scheduled maintenance. This work is expected to last until 18 o'clock this evening. During this time, please use the freight elevators located at the end of the corridor or the stairwell next to the nurses' station for access to the upper floors. We apologize for the disruption to your routine and appreciate your cooperation in keeping the hallways clear.
Number 25. What is the announcement about? Number 26. What alternative does the speaker suggest? Number 27. When is the work expected to finish? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 25. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 26. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 27. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 28 through 30 refer to the following passage.
Thank you for calling the First City Bank Events Hotline. We are currently accepting registrations for our free workshop, Smart Investing for Beginners, taking place this Saturday at 10 a.m. This session will cover stocks, bonds, and retirement planning. To reserve your seat, please press 1 now. Remember to bring a valid photo ID for check-in. If you have questions about other services, please press 2 to return to the main menu.
Number 28. What is the purpose of the message? Number 29. What are attendees asked to bring? Number 30. How can listeners register for the event? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 28. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 29. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 30, the correct answer is A. That's the end of the listening test. Great job, and thanks for doing your best today.